We have a 2020 Mercedes GLS 450. Vehicle has a black exterior, black interior. Comes with blind spot, 360 camera, collision avoidance. Seat 7 with the third row capability. Power liftgate. Keyless entry. Odometer 79,056. Touch screen. Has Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay. Heated and cooled seats over here on the driver's side, along with memory settings. Call Phillips today. Schedule your test drive.